Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Ford Explorer Limited. This one is red. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 250 horsepower and 270 pounds of torque. For wheels, we got 20-inch 5-spoke wheels. Black leather interior. Wood trim. Panoramic sunroof. Rear climate controls, rear captain seats, third row seating. Limited Explorer 4-wheel drive badging. Power lift gate. Fold down third row seats, clean set of all season floor mats. The keyless entry. Memory seats, power windows, power seats. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. A push start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, automatic transmissions, addictive driving settings. This Ford has 21,762 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Ford, visit us at feldmanimports.com.